not a
Can
problem
you, Dr.
anymore.
Arora, just give us the timeline? Because I think that will be very, very interesting. For instance, we have completed 1 billion in 10 months. What is the action plan and the supply issues? Have they been sorted for the next billion? How soon can we hit the next billion?
Yes. So I think we should be able to do it within next 3 to 4 months. That second dose, because first dose we have to see 77 or 80% have received the first dose. So we are left with 20%, which is about 18-20 crore people.
Correct.
Which has to be given an additional one dose.
Yeah.
So we think that by the end of this year, everybody will get at least one dose, and there will be a few who will be left for second dose, and that is what expected. In another 4 to 6 weeks after December, we should be able to complete that, because we are now planning how pediatric immunization is to be rolled out. So before you ask that question, I thought I will take it up proactively that for pediatric immunization also, there are 4 vaccines in the offing. There is Covaxin, data available, Zycovid, data available, and 2 more doses, Carbovax and Covavax, which are Serum Institute and Biological E. And these vaccines will be available somewhere a later part of December, so that somewhere in the first quarter of the next year, we should be ready to start immunizing our children, the most important asset, with the same gusto and intensity as the adults have.
You know, Dr. Arora, you have robbed me of an opportunity to ask 3 or 4 important questions, but I still have some arrows in my quiver for you. My question now for dose number 1. You mentioned that dose number 2, if you see the percentage that has increased, factual, absolutely spot on. But don't you think that the dose 1, the number of people taking the first dose actually coming down, is also a cause of worry, which means you're not adding more new people. You're only vaccinating those who are already vaccinated with the first dose.
Sanket, I have already answered this question. I said the last mile, the intensity of social mobilization will have to be increased.
Much more than what it has been.
Yes, and interpersonal communication. I've already tried to answer that. We know that we need to now mobilize who may be fence sitters, and they need to be talked about. Their concerns have to be taken care, and so that they are mobilized. So there is this extra effort. It is already being planned, because last mile will always be. So once you cross 80% or so, then you have to do that extra effort, and that is being planned.
And you're saying that this will be done within the next 2 to 3 months, by the end of this year?
Yes. Yeah, because it's an ongoing process. These are the learnings we have done. That initial 6 to 8 weeks, it was expected that vaccine hesitancy is going to be there. Now we know that there will be some vaccine hesitancy. We need to work, change our gears and work in a manner so that these people, as I said, you go to a Asha, she will tell you who is unimmunized. You go to a urban area, a worker in the mohalla, he knows or she knows who is unimmunized at the moment. So that kind of micro planning, line listing, and focus targeting is being done at this time.